Any birds?
Birds.
Joe really wants to come up to you.
Yeah, I'm letting him. Oh.
Hi, Sunshine. Step up for food? Joe is so close to trying to eat off your hand.
Yep.
Oh, even Brandy came over, huh?
Brandy's pecking at him a bit.
Yep. I don't know why that's her thing, but it is. Oh, it's so cute. Is he touching you?
Fingers, yeah.
He's touching your hand?
Now he's on it.
He's never stood on me. Is Brandy eating too?
Brandy's trying to.
She's just mean. She pecks at them instead of just tries to finding a spot to eat.
There we go.
Oh, wow. So cute. I mean, except for Brandy being an asshole.